guys, welcome back to our channel. Tonight I am super excited because we are making one of our favorite side dishes, garlic smashed potatoes. We usually make this once a week just because they're so yummy. They're crispy and then they're creamy on the inside. They're just so delicious. Trust me, you're gonna wanna make this. And it's perfect right now for the holidays are coming up. You can make it as a side dish. Trust me, your guests are going to love it. Whenever we get guests, they're always like, oh my God, how did you get it so crispy? Well, I'm gonna share with you the secret. So let's get started with this recipe. Okay, so you guys saw how easy it was to make garlic smashed potatoes, right? So the proof's in the potato. Let's try it. Yay, my favorite part. I can taste that garlic and the thyme. It's so good, crispy. Really the secret to this potato is the Yukon Gold baby potatoes. They're really rich and buttery on the inside. And then when you use that olive oil, it makes the outside really crispy. And that's what you want really, right? We use fresh thyme, but feel free, if you don't like thyme, to use fresh rosemary. You can also have Parmesan on it if you want to take it up to a different level. There's lots of different things you can do with this. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and share our video, subscribe to our channel, click that notification bell so you can get all of our latest and newest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye.